Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Animal Mechanicals, we Animal Mechanical can!
Rex Mechana strong!
Unicorn! Mechana fly!
Komodo! Mechana gizmo!
Mouse! Mechana fast!
Sasquatch! Mechana stretchy!
Animal Mechanicals, Mechana can we do it? We Animal Mechanical can! We Animal Mechanical can!
Mechana hide-and-seek hamster island.
Animal Mechanical Mission Time!
Good morning, Animal Mechanicals.
Good morning, Island Owl!
Very big mission today.
Great!
Your destination is Mechana hide-and-seek hamster island.
Correct me if I am wrong, which I never am, but don't hide-and-seek hamsters love to play hide-and-seek?
Yes, Komodo. In fact, hide-and-seek is the hamster's favorite game. But there's a problem. The hamsters have been seeking and seeking everywhere, but they can't find one of the hiding hamsters, and they're getting quite worried.
That hamster must be a good hider.
Or do you think maybe the poor hamster is lost?
Unknown. Your mission is to find the missing hamster. Mechana, can you do it?
We Animal Mechanical can!
Let's go!
Yes!
Here we are! Mechana hide-and-seek hamster island!
And there are the hamsters.
They say they've looked everywhere for their friend and still can't find him.
Let's search for the missing hamster.
I have eagle eyes that miss nothing.
Komodo.
Not now, Sasquatch. I am searching for the...
Would now be a good time to tell you that some hamsters are about to run you over?
Better late than never.
Someone needs to keep those hamsters calm while we search for their friend.
Sasquatch, maybe you can play a game with them.
What game would they like to play?
Well, let's see. What game would hide-and-seek hamsters like to play?
Catch? Tiddlywinks? Hopscotch?
How about hide and seek?
Nah, probably not.
Maybe you could give it a try, Sasquatch.
Okay, but I don't think they'll like it. Come on, hamsters! Let's play hide and seek!
All right, team. Let's find that missing hamster.
It's not on the wheel.
Or in the dome.
I hear something. The sounds are coming from inside the tube. Look! The missing hamster! He says he ate too many hamster snacks and his belly got so big he got stuck in the tube.
Oh dear! He does look chubbier than the other hamsters.
Hamster snacks. Rex likes hamster snacks.
Come on, big green machine. You're making the hamster nervous.
How will we get the hamster out?
Perhaps someone could crawl inside the tube and push him out.
I don't think I could crawl up the steep part of the tube.
Me either.
I can't crawl at all. I have very sensitive hands and feet.
Mice are great crawlers. I'm on it. Oops, it's so steep in there, I slid backwards.
Maybe you need to take a running start, Mouse.
That might work. I'll try.
going fast enough to reach all the way to the top of the tube.
This is impossible.
Nothing's impossible for animal mechanicals. I just have to go even faster. Fortunately, I'm... Mouse! Mechana fast!
Like a rocket!
I made it!
Yes!
All right!
But I don't think I can push this hamster all the way through the tube. He's really wedged in tight.
The tube is held together with bolts. Perhaps we can take a section of it apart.
Do you think you can push the hamster just to the end of that section, Mouse?
I think I can.
Well then, this is a job for... Komodo! Mechana Gizmo! Whoa. No. My daisy! One mighty Mechana wrench to the rescue!
Handy dandy tool time!
Now the other side. One more bolt, and watch out below!
Whoa!
I'm going to take another running start. Get ready, hamster.
And we better get ready to catch the hamster.
That is one chubby hamster.
Is everyone okay?
Uh-huh.
The hamster seems fine, too.
Good work, team.
Hey, what's everyone doing?
Sasquatch, what are you doing?
Hiding from the hamsters.
Shh. Well, we found the missing hamster, so you can stop hiding now.
Okay. I stopped hiding.
I noticed.
Listen, I hear something.
What is it, Mouse?
I think it's hamsters.
They're searching for me.
They don't know the hide-and-seek game is over. And they don't know the tube has been taken apart. They're going to run right out of it and fall.
We can't catch them all.
They'll get hurt.
Hamsters are not tough and bouncy like the mighty Sasquatch.
Hamsters!
No, stop!
No!
They can't hear us inside the tube.
We need to put the missing tube part back before they fall.
The tube is nice and light, but I can't raise it high enough.
Who can raise it way up there?
It's quite a stretch.
Uh-huh.
Someone would have to be very stretchy to lift that tube way up there.
Right. But who could do that?
Someone who could stretch.
Wait a minute. I just had an idea. I could stretch and raise that tube.
Why didn't I think of that?
Behold! The mighty Sasquatch! Mechana Stretchy!
Wow! Sasquatch is super stretchy.
Stretchy like a big rubber monkey.
Hurry, Sasquatch. The hamsters are about to come tumbling out of the tube.
I can do this!
Whew, just in time.
Komodo, you'd better bolt that tube back in place.
Radio.
We found the missing hamster, and now all the hamsters are safe and sound. Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished!
Yay!
already hiding. I think he's hiding with the hamster snacks. Follow those munching sounds.